in this case, I have a list of numbers in column B, and I want to know what is the sum of all of them. There are different ways in which you can sum this. So the first one is to type in manually the formula of sum. So I'm gonna type the equal sign, and I'm gonna type in here sum, and then I'm gonna open up the parentheses, and then it's gonna ask me what numbers do I need to sum. So I'm just gonna select from cell B2 down to cell B8, and I'm gonna close up the parentheses. And after this, I'm going to press enter, and there we go. I have the sum of all of those numbers. So the second way to do this is to use the Autosum button. So for this, what we need to do is to select our range from cell B2 down to cell B8, and then I want to go to the home menu, and I want to go to the editing section. So when I'm at the editing section, I'm gonna look for the Autosum button, and I'm gonna click it. And after pressing that button, I get the exact same result in cell B9. So I have the sum of all of those numbers. The third way to sum up your numbers is to select your cells from cell B2 down to cell B8, and then you're gonna get this QuickAnalysis tool on the bottom right corner. So we're gonna click it, and then we're gonna look for the totals option. We're gonna click it, and then it's going to ask you what type of total do you want. So in this case, we want the sum of those numbers, so we're gonna click it. And there we go. We have the sum of those products in cell B9. So those are 3 ways in which you can sum up different numbers in Excel. I hope that video was helpful. If you feel like practicing, you can download the sample file in the description. Also, don't forget to comment, to hit the red button to like and to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be motivating me to upload more tutorials for you. See you next time!